From sprawling modern-day shopping malls and giant factories to Africa's biggest and busiest airport, the city of Ekurhuleni is truly the industrial heartland of South Africa. The Ekurhuleni municipality covers a geographic location of almost 2,000 square kilometers and is home to nearly 3 million people. There is a large concentration of manufacturing giants in the Wadeville, L Road Industrial Corridor, Benoni industrial areas and the Spartan Isando areas, making Ekurhuleni the real industrial nerve center of South Africa.
We are the industrial hub of the continent, and historically our city is blessed with a very good political, industrial history and any other things of natural interest for tourists who may actually want to come.
The city has leveraged its sophisticated airport, road and rail infrastructure to connect South Africa to the world and the world to Africa. Ekurhuleni remains a significant engine of growth to the Gauteng economy, contributing about 20% of the province's total economic output. On the national level, 8% of the country's spending power comes directly out of Ekurhuleni. With more than 41,000 enterprises, the region offers a wide array of services ranging from retail, manufacturing, financial services, construction, and business outsourcing. It boasts some of the country's finest modern highways, with the N12, N17 and N3 linking Ekurhuleni to cities like Johannesburg, provinces like Mpumalanga and neighboring countries like Mozambique. The Giluli's interchange right in the heart of Ekurhuleni is a nerve center that connects all the region's major highways. Well-planned and serviced industrial estates line up the R21 Albertina Sisulu corridor, a prime investment conduit between Tshwane and OR Tambo International. Work has already commenced on the integrated rapid public transport network, one of Ekurhuleni's many flagship projects. It aims to improve the use of public transport and to promote linkages throughout the metro. South Africa's largest railway hub is in Germiston, where all railway lines connect to guarantee speed and agility in moving high-value goods across the Southern African region. The high-speed Gautrain shuttles business travelers much quicker between OR Tambo International Airport, Johannesburg and Tshwane. OR Tambo International is undoubtedly the pride of Ekurhuleni and the epicenter of all future developments. The airport is home to most of the world's leading airlines. More than 17 million passengers go through the airport gates annually, helping to sustain about 18,000 direct and indirect jobs. This makes OR Tambo by far the biggest and busiest airport on the continent, a true gateway into Africa. The airport is also a critical transit point for goods, with more than 300,000 tons of freight going through the airport each year. The Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Municipality is currently looking at a number of strategic land parcels that can be utilized for further investments. The area around the airport has been prioritized under the Regional Spatial Development Framework to locate aviation-related businesses and light manufacturing industries around the airport vicinity. The OR Tambo Museum is where the rich heritage and cultural diversity of Ekurhuleni is displayed. Attracting foreign direct investment is critical for Ekurhuleni, and it has maintained its status as a solid investment destination. State-of-the-art casinos such as Emperor's Palace and Carnival City reflect the area's capacity to host local and international events of any kind. Extremely well-designed golf courses such as the one at Serengeti attracts big events like the South African Open Championship.
The municipality has adopted a plan to harness this unique opportunity by creating an aerotropolis, an economy centered around an airport in what will definitely be the first of its kind in Africa. With OR Tambo International as the anchor to the aerotropolis, the Rand Airport is also poised to become a regional airport as per the aviation strategy. Other smaller airstrips like the Brakpan Airport and Springs Airport will all contribute in making Ekurhuleni truly the airport city. This vision forms part of the city's Growth and Development Strategy 2055, spearheaded by the Executive Mayor Mondli Ngubele and his team of 17,000 employees managing a budget of 24 billion rands. The GEAR 2030 plan aims to revamp the city's administrative capital, Germiston, and turn it into a modern African city that can drive the region's ambitious plans. And as a city with a global outlook, the Ekurhuleni municipality is positioning itself as a digital city. The dams and lakes beautification projects promise endless investment opportunities with more than 300 dams, lakes and pans in the area. Increasing demand for freight and other logistics services have seen the city of Ekurhuleni partner with the Gauteng province to embark on the development of the Springs Tambo Inland Port near Vosloorus. Further investment opportunities exist in new industrial parks like the Lordsview and Badenhorst Estate in Brakpan. The city of Ekurhuleni is indeed the economic powerhouse of Gauteng and the manufacturing capital of Africa. Our diverse and multicultural population is a source of strength from which we draw not only our young, vibrant labor force, but also our rich heritage of Ubuntu, setting us on a path to become a truly world-class municipality.